Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 18-piece travel storage bags. Now these are pretty cool. I really appreciate how they've actually labeled the bags here to tell you how big they are. A lot of them you've got to pull out and try to figure it out, but this has it right here on the bag, and it is completely see-through, so you always know what's in there. And you have this little bitty pump. Doesn't have any cords. You don't have to do anything. So this would be great to put in your suitcase with you, put all your stuff in here, or just use it on the go daily. So to use these, it does have a double seal on the top here, so that is really nice. And it has this little cap on the outside just to help with any sort of sealing. But say if you've got these big winter snow things we want to put up, you can easily just put them in here, and then we will get it sealed up and try this baby out. So as you can tell, these things are massive, and how much space they take up in my house is insane. So massive bag. I'm going to push out some of the air here just to kind of make it go a little quicker. And what's great is you don't have to sit here and just continually pinch on it. They do give you a bunch of these little clips that go across here that you can just simply slide on, and then it pinches it all the way across for you. So you can have it all sealed up with very little effort on your behalf. So now we've got all that sealed up. Next step is take the little cap off, and then we use our little deflator or little suction thing there. And I mean, look at that thing. That's going quick, quick, quick. I mean, I am impressed. You just stick that on there and it is shrinking it down. Super quiet. I mean, this thing is efficient. I really appreciate that. So let's get this thing all sucked out. We'll see how good it looks. All right, so I've got this all sucked up. I mean, look at this. This is so much smaller. So if you're gonna store this compared to that where it was, that is amazing. And I know what's in here because it's clear. Everything is great. Have it up in a shelf. Doesn't take up near as much room. And you got this little puppy that is rechargeable. That's easy to pack along. This is a great travel storage bag set that you can use for a variety of purposes.